Why is mindfulness recommended for people with respiratory conditions? If you've ever experienced shortness of breath, then you know how scary it can be. The panic you might experience that comes from not being able to catch your breath only makes the situation worse. Hi, I'm Sarah, the Health and Wellness Coach with Nightingale Virtual Respiratory Care, and today we're talking about practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is a method of bringing your awareness out of your head and into the present. This is a handy technique that you can use anytime, anywhere to regain control of your thoughts when you're feeling distressed. But why do our thoughts matter? Distorted thinking or catastrophizing, making a mountain out of a molehill, can trigger and or intensify the stress response, which increases heart rate and breathing rate, so it makes it harder to catch your breath. It's really a vicious cycle. To restore your breathing back to baseline, you need a way to refocus your thoughts on something else to interrupt the stress response and help your body calm back down, decreasing your heart rate and decreasing your breathing rate. And practicing mindfulness is a great way to do that. Stay tuned for more Nightingale tidbits on mindfulness. Bye.